I personally want to start my own course someday. Like if you can, like probably give me 3 tips for me. Like for example, I want to teach people on how to podcast. Like you can see, I'm doing a podcast with you guys. And my long term vision is to eventually take this further, because people think podcasting is very tough, and actually it's not. It's pretty simple. How should I approach it? Let's hear it from the gurus themselves.
Okay, so the 3 things that you should keep in mind when you are wanting to sell a course, or are you talking about making the course or selling it?
Making the course, and of course, then I'm thinking about like creating videos, and then eventually I'll come to sell the course myself. Yeah.
Okay, so 3 tips on making the course.
Okay.
One, it needs to be very authentic. Like it can't, you shouldn't be like, oh, do this, do this, do this. It should come from a place of authority that I have done this. This is what happened. This is why I'm telling you that this is how you should be doing it. That has always worked for me, because that's what we did for our LinkedIn, Twitter. The second thing that you should keep in mind is that you have to form a community, right? So keep like questions in between so that it becomes more engaging, because again, this is the era of short form content. Nobody likes to listen to like huge pieces of content. So try to keep like short videos and try to keep it like engaging, so that if you're doing a recorded version, it's
Still
more
like small clips. Got it.
And the third thing that I would keep in mind would be that just like I don't know, I think 2 year. Third end.
It's fine.
Yeah. Super actionable. Super actionable in the sense that I have done this. This is what I worked out. But here are 3 steps.
Got it.
Finish.
Thank you for sharing that.